Today's tutorial is all about creating lower thirds for video marketing. Find out how you can impress your audience and stand out from your competitors by creating your own unique and branded lower thirds using my favorite design tool, Canva. Once you know how to do this, you can save your project as a template so you can go back in and change the text overlay or customize the colors and fonts. And the best part, as always, is that it will be entirely free to do. So I'm done with Canva now, and I'm just going to hop over to my video editing software, Filmora, and I'm going to show you how to upload your lower thirds into the video timeline. That is it. That's all there is to it. Thank you so much to my business friend Andy Lyons for suggesting this topic to me. As always, if you've enjoyed watching this tutorial, please take the time to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on another video. I will see you next week.